Welcome everyone. In the previous video, I explained you about economic environment and social environment. In this video, let's start learning the other dimensions of business environment. So let us start with the technological environment. It has been explained with the help of an animated module, and after that we'll start with the explanation. So let's start watching what is technical dimension of business environment.
Technological environment is a prominent dimension of the business environment. It consists of the forces relating to the scientific improvements and innovations in the business that provide new ways of producing goods and services. Also, it offers new methods and techniques of operating a business. Technological environment always brings quality improvement and benefits to customers. Some of its important components are facilities for research and development, adoption of innovative technology and methods in manufacturing sector, development of information technology, IT, innovations in scientific and engineering fields have provided numerous opportunities and threats for many enterprises. A business organization has to constantly monitor the technological changes taking place in the industry to survive in the market. Let us see some of the effects of technological changes on business. Introduction of digital or cable television and DVDs have adversely affected the demand of cinemas. Newer versions of computers and laptops have resulted in the obsolescence of earlier technologies. Internet has fastened and simplified ticket reservations of airline and railways. Introduction of advanced application programming interfaces have caused a shift in demand of mobile phones to smartphones and iPhones.
So with this, we come to know that technology is affecting the business concerns. This was technological environment. Now, let's elaborate it. Technological environment consists of the forces relating to scientific improvements and innovations in a business that provides new ways of producing goods and services and new methods and techniques of operating a business. Basic major elements of technological environment are scientific improvements, inventions of new products and services, innovations of the existing products and services, and new methods and techniques of production. So, technological environment consists of all the forces that are relating to scientific improvements and innovations in a business that provide new ways of producing goods and services and new methods and techniques of operating a business. Elements of technological environment as discussed earlier also, it includes scientific improvements, it includes invention of new products and services, it includes innovation of existing products and services, and it includes new methods and techniques of production. So technology is required in our day-to-day life, for which improvements are needed for routine activities, for business activities, for recent technological environments, for continuous innovations. What is needed? Technology is needed. So technological environment creates the following now. It creates new business opportunities. It creates threat for existing enterprises. It creates opportunities for new innovations. Therefore, technological environment is quite important because technology is affecting the business concerns. We see nowadays there are new innovations, and every now and then new features are added in smartphones, mobile phones, laptops, and technology is going on improving. If the business concerns do not change themselves, what will happen? They will lag behind. Now we are going to discuss about the fourth element, that is fourth dimension of business environment, which is called the political dimension or the political environment. political environment consists of the forces related to management of public affairs influencing the business activities. Elements of political environment are constitution of the country, prevailing political system, degree of politicization of business and economic issues, level of political morality, and dominant ideologies and values of major political parties. These are all the elements of political environment and the decisions taken by the existing political parties which affect the business concern will be a component of political environment of business. It includes political stability in the nation, peace in the country, government attitude towards the business, government policies, whether the government is supporting direct and foreign direct investment or it is opposing foreign direct investment. This is all related to political environment. Now last environment, that is legal environment. Remember, legal is entirely related to law. What does law say and how does law affect the business? Legal environment consists of the framework of laws and regulations in the country passed by the government, courts, commissions, etc. to govern the business enterprises. Basic major business laws of legal environment, they include the Companies Act, they include Industrial Act, they include Foreign Exchange Management Act, Import and Export Act, Consumer Protection Act, and many other. That is, whatever acts are passed by the government to run any business concern, to run the entire business enterprises, these all acts are included in law and therefore they are a part of legal environment. This includes all the laws, all the legislations, all the government administrative orders and all the judgments passed by the courts. Legal environment helps to provide safe business environment because law is interfering. Legal environment help in improvising business performance. It helps in protecting consumers' interest. It helps in promoting ethical behavior of the consumers. So, let us take an example also. You might have seen that when we purchase medicines, it is written to be taken under the medical prescription, under the advice of the medical practitioner. What does it mean? This is law which is saying that any medicine cannot be taken without the medical prescription. As per the law, as per the guidelines given by the government, this warning is written on every medicine. Similarly, on all the tobacco products, on all alcoholic products, it is written that they are injurious to health. They are not good for consumption. When you go for purchasing powdered milk for kids, for infants, it is written that mother's milk is best for the baby. This is what? These are the laws which are given by the government. This is the legal environment which has to be adopted by the business concerns. So I hope that now with this module you are clear with the other dimensions, that is the technological environment, political environment and legal environment. In totality, we have 5 dimensions of business environment: economic environment, social environment, then technological environment, political environment and legal environment. All the environments, all the dimensions affect the business in some or the other way. I hope that this is clear to you. Thank you all.